This video will cover seminoma, a germ cell testicular tumor. Let's anchor ourselves. We're at a soccer game, and this organized group of fans is called the Salty Nomads. Salty Nomads sounds like seminoma, and that's going to anchor us. Additionally, the Salty Nomad fans only on this side of the stadium will help us remember that these are usually unilateral tumors. Let's turn our attention to the star player here, the chicken. The chicken will help us remember that seminoma is commonly derived from germinal cell neoplasia in situ, also known as jickness, which sounds like chicken, right? As per post-COVID era, there's a convenient hand sanitizer here. This hand sanitizer represents the fact that seminoma is a germ cell tumor. Notice how all the fans are wearing tan-colored merch? This represents the fact that seminomas are usually tan and solid tumors grossly. The Jumbotron in this stadium is unlike anything I've ever seen. It looks like some sort of scary creature in the form of an island with some especially scary eyes. This represents the architecture and cytologic findings of seminoma, which are islands of pleomorphic cells with prominent nucleoli. These fans really set up a cool atmosphere. Look at those banners streaming down. These banners with blue dots on them represent the thin fibrous septae with lymphocytes between islands of cells. Now let's move on to serum and IHC findings. This fan holding up his drink of choice represents elevated serum LDH, because milk has lactate, right? The other fan here must have just received some good news from his partner, because he's holding up a pregnancy test. This represents elevated beta HCG in serum. And of course there has to be a first aid kit at such a big event like this. This represents C-KIT, also known as CD117, which is positive in these tumors. Their mascot must be an octopus, because look at their hats. These are octopus hats, and they represent OCT34, another IHC marker that is positive. Lastly, remember how our fans are called the Salty Nomads? Well, conveniently for us, seminoma also stains positive for SAL4.